Paul here at Metropolis. Let's get right into it. So you just deployed your Azure AI Studio deployed chat model. Looks something like this. Maybe your organization has had various conversations and you're wondering, gosh, wouldn't it be great if I could see everybody else's conversation? Maybe run some analytics because all I see are these 5 chats in my chat history. We make that possible. Let's first go through a quick example. Here's a chat. Here's the assistant response. User question, assistant response. Let's go into ChatGPT or Power BI, right? We're here for AI Insights for Power BI. It's deployed Metropolis application. Get it on AppSource today. As soon as you deploy it, it's going to connect to a sample data set. That sample data set, just one of the many use cases that you can utilize your conversation history for. Or maybe you're again looking for your best chats, outliers, expensive costs, attributing those costs to department, finding the best prompts, finding all kinds of insights with the beauty of Power BI. So again, you have your dashboard, right? I can assess my assistant ratios, like how many times is my assistant not responding over a context window? Which are my top conversations? Looking at my briefcase. So with inside of briefcase, meaning this is a briefcase of prompts, right? So play on prompt engineering. Prompt engineers now carry a briefcase that is Power BI. Here I can quickly see all the titles of the conversations. So Expo XT demo summary correlates to the chat conversation here, which should be the optimized Power Query. So all the titles are going to show up in the briefcase. When I click on one, you'll notice that it's going to select the optimize XT demo summary, assistant response, and user question, broken down by which user answered that question. Maybe I want to do a search by title, search by content, search by office, right? What was the cost of that conversation? As well as visualizing the conversation, right? Are you having more assistant responses than user questions or vice versa? That could be an issue with your Azure AI deployed models configuration and context window. Or maybe you're taking advantage of Power BI's incredible natural language to improve the feedback loop. Like, show me the most conversations this week. What was the most expensive conversation? Where are there potential issues? Right? I love this part because sometimes I'll use the chat inside of either the visual for Expo or for AI Insights or Power BI, or I'll use it in ChatGPT. So here are the prompts, here are the users, these are the topics. I can drill down into whichever topic I want, which users are having more conversations than others. Well, let's get into the performance. Here I can see my decomposition tree on cost by different departments and users and roles. When I click on one, I've selected several. I can even have a conversation with the AI assistant in Power BI. So this is going out and retrieving the conversations that are inside of the database and presenting them in a chat. So the in-help chat bot for AI Insights Power BI can be very helpful, right? So this is pulled back 10 of the most recent conversations. I can go assess my costs, right? And then maybe you want to connect it to your deployed model, which leads us back to our internal knowledge base of documents that we utilize across all of our different users so we can keep track of their productivity, who's adopting the system, who's struggling with it, where do they need more training, what are the best prompts. So this is the tool that should have been deployed with your Azure AI Studio deployed model. Just don't tell Microsoft because then they'll make it and maybe we'll work together. So again, thank you everybody for your time today. We'll be getting into other sessions throughout our time. It's going to show you guys something. Oh yeah, if you don't mind, we've released this blue coffee brand. The blue coffee brand, it's premium, imported from space, and available at metropolis.com. Thanks everybody. Had to get that in there.